30, very lavender blue, cool blue. Thing I like about this slide and what I would like to suggest to you here is not to be afraid to put a lot of color in the transition spaces like we talked about earlier in the mudroom. This hallway, which I imagine is the second floor of maybe a colonial home, and this raspberry pudding is at the end of the hall. It's the color that you would arrive at after you walked all through the house and down the road. Probably feels like a big surprise when you get there. And a lot of people have, I've gotten a lot of emails since I've been doing these seminars that people have tried this idea and they put a lot of color in their hallways. There's not a lot of wall in there, so it's not really a whole big deal. And think about it. Think about your spaces when you're planning your colors. How much wall do you really have? Or do you have more wall and trim? And how much wall do you really have?
I have a huge hallway. I need it.
And it's a whole lot of wall.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes it's fun to really go a little stronger than you'd want to. Even if you did it on, one side, or you could block it out or create a feature wall as you go. Yeah, I've also done them the other way where I put the colors on the doors and leave the walls white, and if you kind of flip the whole scenario, you end up with something fun. But the news is to not be afraid to put a lot of color in a hallway. It can be very, very effective, especially if you have a lot of it.
What do you suggest to make it look smaller?
The length of it?
I have a long hallway.
Well, you'd have to put something very strong and warm at the end of the view. So, just as they've done here, only you do it right in the hall. So maybe you're going to want to make an accent wall out of wherever your eye terminates, and then it's going to get, a good warm color will come toward you because the cool colors recede and the warm colors advance. And then if you kept a cooler color on the side wall, say you did, let's just say a cooler gray, and then you ended it with a red, the hall would look shorter. And the way to think about it is if you paint that end thing black, and you did the wall white, like spatially, it's gonna get shorter.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. That's why I'm here.